Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations, Art, Craft and Cooking. In this video, I will show you how to make aluminium molds. You can use these molds to make lava cake, etc. It is very easy to make and it is also very useful. And it is hard enough to hold the cake batter. So let's get started. So let's start to make. To make this you need aluminium foil. Take a piece of aluminium foil and then fold it into half. Now again fold it into half. We will get a square. Take a glass, then invert it. Place it on the top and fold the edges. Then fold it like this, the same direction. Then fold it here. It will give grip to the cup. Now press it and remove this. We can use this cup to make lava cake and etc. But don't use aluminium foil in microwave oven. Our aluminium molds are ready. Let's bake a lava cake. In the next video, I will show you how to make lava cake. Till then, bye bye. If you enjoy watching this video, hit thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave your comments below if you think it is useful. Thanks for watching.